Good morning. We're going to do some more letters today. Are you ready? Letters, letters, letters have names. What is the name of this letter? Straight line down, little line left to right, little line left to right, little line left to right. E, 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 E. E is the name of this letter. My turn. This is the uppercase E. Your turn. That's right. This is the uppercase E. Good job. Letters, letters, letters have names. What is the name of this letter? Little line left to right, come up and around and stop. E, 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 E. E is the name of this letter. My turn. This is the lowercase e. Your turn. That's right, lowercase e. Good job, guys. Now remember, E is one of those special letters that makes two different sounds. E says E, E says E. Every letter makes a sound. E says E, E says eh, E says eh. Every letter makes a sound. E says eh. All right, let's look at some of our words that begin with the letter E and has the E sound or the eh sound. All right. Here is an eggplant. This is an eggplant. Eggplant starts with the letter E. How many of you have ever had eggplant? I'm not a fan. Maybe you would like it though. This is our elbow. Your elbow starts with the letter E. Elbow starts with the letter E. Elbow. What else have we got in here? We have an elephant. Elephant starts with the letter E. Elephant. Elephant starts with the letter E. An elephant is an animal you might see in the zoo, but they live in a place called Africa. What's this? Egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Egg starts with the letter E. I love to eat eggs for breakfast. This number 11 starts with the letter E. 11 starts with the letter E. 11. Good job. And this is an elf. Elf. Elf starts with the letter E. Great job, guys. So today we talked about words that begin with the letter E. Ready? Here we go. We had elf, 11, egg, elephant, elbow. Now, eggplant. All right, now it's your turn. That's right, that's an elf. The number 11. Great job, guys. Something I like to eat for breakfast, eggs. Elephant, great job, guys. Elbow, awesome. And then, of course, there's eggplant. Great job today, guys. Check in tomorrow, see what our letter is going to be.